is pretty rough today. So because of the terrible weather, we're just gonna stay in for a long morning inside the van, and we made breakfast ready, some eggs and some Nutella, and of course some delicious coffee. And because we're not in a rush, we are gonna have our own little cinema here, and of course you can see our screensaver is the old trusty Norris. So let's go with some Netflix. The whole car is shaking. Not much to do on a day like this.
And I want to go out.
Yeah, just go, I'll be fine in here. Someone has to protect the car from the wind.
Oh my god.
Lovely! Lovely, isn't it? Good thing about being in Scotland, even if we're on a one-lane road, we have this all to ourselves, and we're stopped in the middle of a hill. Look at this. Just too bad the rain is stopping us from hiking, because we're gonna get absolutely drenched, and I don't have waterproof clothes.
Rookie mistake.
Yeah. At least this is beautiful. Benedict is gonna go out and shoot in the rain.
Okay, take notice that Simon is in the car.
We can't hear you. We can't hear you.
Simon is in the car, perfectly dry. He's sending me out to war again.
Yeah, you're the tough one. Okay, so I wanted to give you a quick reality check on how it is living in a van when it's pouring down constantly, all the time, outside. So we're desperately trying to dry whatever we can. Hello.
Including me. Everything is wet.
So as you can see, we have stacked up with jackets here, my pants, gloves, our hat, rain pants. This is just a mess. I nicked his shoes. The floor is totally wet. So I had to sacrifice one of the towels to try to keep it clean. Yeah, so that's it. Even more clothes back here. Yeah, this is total chaos. so much fun. We're at the top of Quiraing, is that how we call it? Something like that. And we have traversed a really steep mountainside. And when we came over at the top there, we entered this landscape and check out how cool this is. And there are no other people around. And yesterday the weather was horrible. Today it's not rainy and just about to see the sun coming through the clouds. So we have to make the most of it. So I'm not sure if we're gonna stay here anymore. We've taken the pictures we wanted, we got the film clips we wanted. So I think we should start heading back to the car. By the Storr, and the wind is completely wrecking this clip, I think. Oh man.
Catherine, she's not answering. Catherine, she's not answering.